So today, let's show you how you can create a profitable Facebook page, and after creating a profitable Facebook page, you can be able to grow it organically. And also, we are going to show you how you can customize this page for your business, for your online selling, for your promotion, or whatsoever you want to use the Facebook page for. So we are going to show you step by step on how you are going to do this. This video is based on requests, so I want you guys to also learn from this particular video. We are going to create our profitable Facebook page and learn how we can grow it organically, and also how we can use it to do some promotion for those of you that want to do promotion using your page. So I'm going to create this page in two ways. One is using the mobile phone and the other one is using the system. So at the end of this video, you will learn how you can be able to create a profitable Facebook page and also how you can grow it organically using your targeted followers or your targeted friends or your targeted people that you want them to be among the people that will follow you on your Facebook page. Okay, so if you are new to this YouTube channel and you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel, I would like you guys to click on that subscribe button and make sure you toggle on the bell icon in order to get notification each time I drop a video just like the one you're watching. So if you are a returning user here, you are also welcome. You are part of the family already, so I welcome you all both. So let's dive in on how we can create this profitable Facebook page for our business, for our career, or for our online advertisement. So let's dive in. First thing first you have to do is to create a Facebook account. In case you don't know how to create a Facebook account, you can also comment in the comment section and let me do a quick video on that, on how you can do that. Okay, so now what you have to do now, we are using the system view for now. So after this, we are going to move into the mobile view. So once you log into your Facebook account and you are already on your Facebook feed, or you can call it your Facebook home. So once you have logged into it, next thing you have to do is, you have two ways that you can do this, or three ways that you can do this under the desktop view over here, but I'm going to show you the shortest way. So once you have logged in with your system over here, you can see this particular menu sign here. Just click on it. Once you click on it, you click on pages. So once you click on page, then the next thing they're going to show you is where you are going to put in your page. So one thing you have to do is to put in your page details. So the next thing you have to do is to put in your page name. Let me use, for example, this is testing page. For example, this is testing page. So, and here is category. Now let's talk about this category. Some people don't actually know how to categorize their page. The category of a page leads, or it explains or talk about what your page is all about. So if your page is all about business, then there is a lot of categories under business. What kind of business are they doing? Are they into buying and selling, or local business? Whatsoever it is, there is enough category for you to choose here. I think you can choose up to 3 different categories that is related to your business. So if you are into selling of beauty, cosmetics, or whatsoever, then you can type and search for cosmetics, and also you choose cosmetic stores. Or if you are into any other thing, maybe some kind of shop, or a designer, a costume designer, or whatsoever you are doing, you choose. Okay, so if you are into tech, you can also find other things. If you're a digital marketer or you're a content creator, you can also search for content creator, and you see many. If you can't see content creator, you can just search for digital creator. Yeah, you can search for digital creator or social media agency, whatsoever your company is all about. So you can choose the enough category here. Just search according to what your company is all about, what your company is doing, what they know your company as, because it will help you a lot to talk about your company. Okay, so if you're a public figure, you just type public figure. If it is not a company, maybe you're a publisher or you're just a public figure, you can also put that. Also, you can search for public figure and you choose public figure if it is available. If it's not available, you find another category. You can add up to 3 categories. For example, let me just add digital creator, and let me add a digital marketer or social media agency, and I can add the last one. Maybe I'll just find something and put there. Okay, and I think I can still add another one. Let me check if that is possible. All right, you can see that the only number of category we can choose is 3, and you can't choose more than that. So once you're done choosing your category, then you put in your bio. Your bio is optional, but it's very, very important. So this bio is a kind of short description about your company, what your company is all about, what they do. So this is where you will pick it up. Okay, this is where you will write out every information in summary of what your company is all about. So once you have done that, I can just type in anything I want here. Once you are done with that, everything is ticked. You can see here is blue, 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 everywhere is ticked. So I can now do what? I can now click on this create page. So once I click on this create page, I'm expecting an error if possible. So now they say the page name that are too broad are not allowed. Testing is a popular name already, so I can just say figure. Maybe let me just say 𝗠𝗲𝗱𝗶. Okay, let me just put that name there because this is just like a testing page. So I'll click on create. Okay, I've received a message here that 𝗠𝗲𝗱𝗶 was created. Now you can add images or go to your page to add more details. Now over here you can see that 𝗠𝗲𝗱𝗶 has already been created as I showed you here. What you have to do now is to put your website here. If you have a website, then you put your phone number. If you have your phone number here, then you put your email. If you have your email, then put your location. If you have location, put city. Your city, this city is where you are located. So the address, the same thing, the email of your company. Or if you are just building for a public figure or you are building for a content creator, you can put your email. Remember, this email you are going to put here, whatsoever you are going to put here will be listed out as public. So don't put your private contact here. If you know the phone number that you want people to contact you with, that's what you're going to put here. So choose your country code. We can choose Nigeria, for example. We can choose Nigeria. So once you choose Nigeria, we select Nigeria. That's not Nigeria, sorry. Trying to search Nigeria. So if I select Nigeria here, I'll put the phone number here. So let me just put this phone number. Then I'll put the phone number. Then what I'm going to do, I'll put address, put other things. So after you're done putting all those things, you now select your hours. So let people know your location hour when you work. If you are always open, then select always open. If you are open by some hours, like for example, some people might be open just for 5 to 6, or they might be open 6 to 6, or they might be open this to this. So what you have to do is just to select here and choose the date, the day, the closing time, and also for example opening time. I open by, you can say, okay, I usually open by 8 a.m. and I close by 6 p.m. and I close by 6 p.m. You can just put it here that you close by 6 p.m. So this is just for a standard business. Those are the people that can do this. But if you're a content creator, you don't need to put time. You are always what? Open. So you just put it always open here. Then you can see that your page health here is fair because we have not completed many requirements that is needed here. So you can put website here also. I can put like 𝗠𝗲𝗱𝗶.com. and put 𝗠𝗲𝗱𝗶.com, as you can see here. So what I'm going to do is to click on next. So if I click on next, the next thing they are going to show me is for me to put my profile picture. Okay, so I have to put a profile picture here, and also I have to put a cover page here. So these are the two things that are very important you put. If you didn't set up all those things, Facebook will not penalize you actually. But why you need to put all those things is that you are trying to promote a brand here, which is your business or your career or your promotion or whatsoever you want to create. So anything you are going to put here has to be, one, authentic, it has to be legit, and it has to be something that people will find attractive. So you can go to Canva and design a logo, or you can go to Canva and design a cover photo, which we are going to talk about later, maybe in the next video or any other video I'm going to do. I'm going to show you how you can design on Canva and put it here. Okay, so now what you have to do is just to upload. Click here and upload a profile picture. I can choose to select Instagram and I'll click on open here. Then the Instagram will load, as you can see here. Then the next thing is the cover page. I can select the next thing I have to do is to click on maybe Facebook. I'll just use this. I'm just using this as an example to put my cover page. I can select this and put my cover page. Now this call to action, this add call to action, is a button that will be at the side of your page. This call to action or action button is a button. Maybe you can choose WhatsApp button if you want, the way you want people to contact you. You can choose call, you can choose WhatsApp button, or you can choose a website to visit you. So what you have to do now is just to click on that add action button. So once we have clicked on it, okay, we can click on try it. Then the next thing we have to do here is to choose how we want our custom button to be. We can see send message here. So if we choose send message, it means that at the custom button we'll be seeing send message, and once someone click on it, automatically it will redirect the person to Messenger to message the owner of this page. We can decide to use WhatsApp. If you click on WhatsApp, what we are going to see there is send WhatsApp message, and automatically they will redirect the person to WhatsApp to send WhatsApp message to this page. By then the phone number of the page has already been verified on WhatsApp already. So we can choose call now, we can choose send email, you can choose contact us. So whatsoever you want. If you are a restaurant person, you can click on start order. Understand? If you are selling food, if your page is all about food, you can click on start order, and automatically the next page you are going to see after you click on this start order, after you selected this start order, the next page you're going to see is for you to put your website link, where people will be redirected once they click on that start order. Okay, so but that's not what you are doing right now. We can just choose book now. If you choose book now, they have to connect you with other third parties. Okay, they have to connect you with other third parties application for booking process, or we can choose any other thing. If your page is all about ticketing, you can choose ticketing as well, get ticket, and click on next, and they will redirect you either to an event on Facebook or to a website link. Okay, so anywhere it depends on what your business is all about, so you can choose anything you want to choose here to customize your call to action. Okay, so now we can choose call, and once you choose call and click on next, automatically there will be a place to put phone number that you want people to call once they click on that button on call. Okay, so if your page is all about content creation, maybe you want people to go to your YouTube channel once they click on watch now. Maybe you normally post short videos here and redirect them to go to your YouTube and watch the full video. So you can use watch now. Maybe someone want to watch your video, you just click on watch now and then redirect them to your YouTube account. This is where you put your YouTube your YouTube link. This is where you put your YouTube link that will redirect them to where you want them to go and watch your videos. Okay, so it depends on anything you want to choose here. You can choose it. All left for you to decide on what you want to decide. So because of this video, I'm going to just select on send message. Okay, you can also select on learn more if your page is all about, maybe tutorial or where you want them to go and learn, maybe educational purpose. You can click on learn more, and you can click on next and put your website, and it will redirect them to that place each time they click on it. So regarding what I said earlier, I'm going to use send a message. I'm going to click on next, then they will tell me that they will message 𝗖cie on Messenger. You can see there. Then I'll now click on save. So once I click on save, everything is set. As you can see here, everything is set. So what I have to do is just to click on next. So once I click on next, the next thing that is going to display here will be our page to put our WhatsApp phone number. Okay, so here I can put WhatsApp phone number if I want. If I don't want to do that, I will just skip it. Okay, but it is very important you do that, because if you want people to be contacting you through WhatsApp, you have to do that. But if you don't want, you will do what? You skip it. Remember, before you put it, depending on your state or your country, just choose your country, just the way we did earlier on our phone number. Then we now click on skip. So now I'm going to show you how you can boost or how you can grow your page organically. So I'm going to show you that in a bit. Now we have successfully created this page. Okay, So automatically, the first way you can grow this page organically is what I'm going to show you. What you have to do right now is to click on next. So once we click on next, we click on done. Okay, these two things has to be highlighted. It has to be on so that you can get page notification each time an action is taken on this page. Maybe someone liked your video, someone followed you, someone commented, someone did anything on your page, you can get a notification. And also, if there's any suggestion Facebook want to give to you about your page, it can also be delivered to you from here. That's the reason why you have to check these two on, then click on done. Okay, so once you click on done, your page is created. So the next page you're going to see now is here. This is your page. You can see over here they say welcome to your new page. I want to take a tour right now. A tour means to show you around the page, to show you, when you launch a new house or when you want to buy a new house, an agent will carry you around and be showing you how the house is, the door, the parlor, the this. So that's what I mean by taking a tour here, but I don't need that. All I have to do is just to say not now, or I cancel it. So this is my page. As you can see, I'll cancel it. So this is my page. As you can see here, this is the profile picture we put earlier. Remember, you can still replace this with your picture and you can still design a better cover page here and replace it with this. Okay, so now you can see we have 0 likes and also zero followers over here. Okay, we have 0 likes and also 0 followers over here. So what I'm going to do is that I'm supposed to teach you guys how you can grow this page organically in another video, but I think I will continue that right now in order to show you guys how you can grow this page organically. So you have to grow this page organically in 2 different ways. There are many ways you can do that, but I'm going to show you 2 different ways which will be profitable for you. So what I mean by growing this page organically means that you don't need to pay anybody anything to advertise this page. So you just advertise it on your own and people will start coming to your page to follow you or to like you or to do whatever on the page. Okay, so that's what we're going to do right now. Once you have logged into your page, you have to switch to this page. Remember, we are doing this on the desktop view, which is the computer view, right, which is the laptop or the system view altogether. So what you have to do is to click on these 3 dots here. As you can see here, is to click on these 3 dots here once you have logged into your account. So let me switch back to where we were before, which is my home page, right? So at my home page, this was my home page. This is where we were before we start creating all these accounts. So once we have created a Facebook page or we are in a group, it will be under this shortcut here. You can see that the 𝗖ście that we created is here. You can see it here. So either I click here to visit the page, or I click on this top right hand side icon here that shows my profile picture. I'll click on it and I will navigate to 𝗖ście. So if I want to go to my advertisement page, which is Thrice Ad, I can still go there. If I want to go to other Facebook pages I manage, I'll click on see all profile. You will see all the profile pages I manage, but I don't want to go there right now. So what I have to do is just to click on this 𝗖ście. So if I click on this 𝗖ście, the next thing that is going to display is our page. You can see automatically I have switched to the page we created. If you watch here, you will see that the icon or the profile picture you are seeing here is no longer mine, but the page I created. So what did I have to do? I have to go to the profile, which is my profile of the page I created. You can see we have 0 followers and 0 likes. So how can we grow this page organically? We can grow this page organically in 2 ways. Like I say, the first way is what I want to show you. What you have to do right now is just to click on these 3 dots at the right hand side here. So once you click on these 3 dots at the right hand side here, you are going to see where they say invite friends. Okay, so once you click on this invite friends, automatically they will ask you to switch back to your normal account, which is my personal account. I'll say okay, I want to switch. I'll click on switch. So once I switch to my normal account, automatically they will fetch out all my friends that I have, or all my followers that I have in my own personal account. As you can see from here, I have about 2,453 friends. Okay, so all my friends that I have here, I have to just check and send them friend requests. But if you don't have that strength to start checking about 2,000 plus friends, then what you have to do is to select 1,000, because Facebook only allow you to send 1,000 friend requests in a day. So since I have 2,453 friends or 2,453 followers in my personal account, then what I have to do is to send 1,000 friend requests or 1,000 invitee to my friends just for today. Then tomorrow I continue again from where I stopped. It's boldly written here, daily invite limit. You can see here, to protect against spam, we limit the number of invites you can send daily. Invite up to 1,000 friends now, then come back tomorrow to send more. Okay, so what I have to do is just to select about 1,000 friends that I have here. You can see here, selected is already 1,000. Then I will hit the send invite button. Remember, this page is just for educational purpose, so I'm not going to send the invites. Once I send the invite, you see that this invitation will be sent to all my friends and all my followers in my own profile picture that are already on my own profile picture. All right, so you're going to send them to tell them to come into they should come, and is going to invite them to come and like or follow 𝗠𝗲. So this is the first way you can grow your page organically. Okay, so what is the second way you can grow your page organically? The second way now you can grow your page organically is, now I'm already on my profile here. So what I have to do is to click here called group. You can see at the top here, it is called group. So all these things I'm going to show you on the mobile view aspect. For those of you that will be using mobile, I'm going to show you how you can do that perfectly. Okay, so just stick with me on this video and make sure you watch this video to the end so that you can understand everything. And if you think you're getting anything from this video, I would like you to smash that like button and also comment whatsoever question you want to comment in the comment section. I will be there to reply to you. Okay, don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and don't forget to share this video with others. Okay, so click on this group here. You can see these groups. Click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to see several groups will be here. You can see this group. These are the recent activities I have in this group, the ones I am in. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is just to click on discover here. So if I click on discover over here at my left top hand side here, I will be seeing many other groups. Okay, I'll be seeing many other groups that I can join. You can see many other groups, suggestion groups that I can join. So what are you going to do now? First of all, you have to know your niche, which is your category, what your company is all about. If your company is all about this or all about that, or what your page is all about is all about this or that. So what you have to do is just to join the group. So once you join the group, you communicate with the group. What I mean by communicating with the group, you join them in whatsoever that is happening in that group. You contribute to the group, and as you're contributing to the group, you are also adding your page link to the group to tell them they should follow you for more if they like what they're seeing. So from there, automatically you are gaining an organic followers to your page instantly. So the first one I said is to invite your friends, and the second one I talked about is for you to go and join a group and invite your friends organically. So that's how the two ways you can do what you can optimize and also grow your Facebook page organically. What you have to do just to open your Facebook account. So once you open your Facebook account, the next thing you are going to do is to click on these three dots here over here. Once you click on these three dots over here, then you are going to see pages. So you just scroll down and you're going to see pages. You click on pages. So once you click on pages, the next thing you're going to see after you click on pages, you're going to see create. So you click on create. So once you click on create, you're going to see get started. You click on get started. Then the next thing you're going to do is to put your page name. Maybe we'll just say like 𝗠𝗲𝗋𝗁. Okay, we'll click on next. So once you click on next, we choose our category over here, just like what we did earlier. We can see suggestions. We can choose music and band depending on your category. So you can see over here they say you can only add up to 3 categories here, right? So you can choose maybe just like what we chose earlier, digital marketing or digital creator, social media marketing, social media marketing, sorry, our social media agency. We can choose any other one, so you can even choose just one category if you want. Okay, it's not a must that you must choose up to 3. Okay, so you can choose just one. After you're done with that, you hit the create button. All right, you hit the create button. Once you click on the create button, it's going to generate your page for you. Okay, it's going to generate your page for you. So as you can see here, it's trying to create a page for us. Okay, so we're going to wait for it to create a page, and automatically you can see our page has been created. They said you have created your page. So over here we can now choose what we want to do with the page. They say promote your product or services, or create content and connect with fans. So you can see that they have 2 options here on the mobile view aspect. Now the first one is that if you're a business person, you buy and sell, or you are under a church, or you are under any non-profitable organization, a government, or whatsoever public figure, this is where you are going to choose the first one. That's what you're going to choose. But if you are a content creator, a digital creator, or whatsoever you're doing that generates content in terms of digitally, like video, whatever things you generate content with, like digital creators, content creators, and so on and so forth. So what you have to do is just to click on the create content and connect to fans. Okay, so you now click on continue. But if you're a business person, you click on the first one. Okay, so right now I'll just choose the first one just as an example. Okay, so I'll click on continue. So once I click on continue, then you can see here you put in your bio. So I can just put in TTT as a bio. Then I can put the website, I can put the email, I can put the phone number, I can put the location, and also I can also put the address, the city, the zip code, and so on and so forth over here. Okay, I can also put the no hour available if I don't work with hours. Okay, if I work always, I'm open always, I choose that one. If I want to choose a standard hour, which is the one that will lead us to select when we are opening for each of the week, so I can always select always open, and I'll click on next. So after that, the next thing I'm going to put will be my profile picture, and also my cover page, just like the way we did it earlier. I can also edit this action button just like the way we did it on the system view. I'm going to skip this. I'm just going to click on next without editing the action button. Then you can see from here I can decide over here to invite my friends instantly from here, or I can just click on next. I don't want to do that right now. So over here they are giving me suggestion of people that I can follow to add to my favorite or whatsoever, but I don't need to do that right now. So what I have to do is just to click on next. Then the next thing I have to do is to check this to make sure these 2 things are checked blue, just as I explained earlier. Then you click on done. So once you have clicked on done, automatically it will switch you to that page to be on that page. So you can see automatically I'm already on that page. So what I have to do now is just to go to that page. Either I click on these 3 lines here and click here, or I will just go back to the home page and click on this icon here to go to the profile page. So if I click on it, you can see that I have 0 followers and 0 likes here. So how can we invite our friends? Just the way we did at the system view. We click on these 3 dots here. Then the next thing we're going to do is to click on if you click on that 3 dots over there, you click on invite friends down here. You can see down here invite friends. So click on invite friends. They will ask me to switch, so I have to click on continue to switch. So once I have switched my account, automatically they are going to show me people to invite. I'm going to select this 1000 friends, and I'll hit the send invite to 1000 people, and this 1000 people, an invitation will be sent to them for them to follow me on this page. But I'm not going to do that right now because this is a testing page, so I don't need to waste my friends' time in joining or liking a page that I'm not going to use later. Okay, so that's one way of doing that organically, to grow your page organically. And the second one I talked about was using a group, so which we can do right now. Click on this 3 icon here, just the way we did on page. Then we click on groups. So once we click on groups, the next thing we're going to do is to click on discover. So if you click on discover, we are going to see different groups that we can join. So like I said earlier, during the system view, you can decide to join any of the group that is related to what your page is all about. You contribute with the page by maybe answering some questions if it involves questions, or just contribute to the group. After contributing to the group, with time you start adding your link and telling people to follow you on your page, that you have other content like this that you have on your page. People will trip in and follow you on your page organically without paying for anything. Okay, so these are the two ways you can grow your page organically, and that's how you can open your page on mobile phone and also on the system view. And I hope this video is very helpful, and if this video is very helpful to you, please don't forget to click on the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. And if you have any question, just use the comment section, comment on the comment section, and I will be there to respond to your comment. Okay, I will be there to respond to any question you have at all. Just comment it, send it at the comment section. I will be there to reply you. So I hope you find value again in this video. If you think this video worth sharing, don't forget to share with your family and friends, and I will be waiting for you in my next video. Thank you and peace out.